This tutorial shows you how to run two separate accounts of the same app side by side. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Advanced Features from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Dual Messenger to see the list of supported apps. At this point, turn on the toggle next to the app you want to clone, such as WhatsApp or Telegram. In the next step, tap on Install on the confirmation prompt that appears. Following this, read the disclaimer and tap Confirm to proceed. Once done, turn on the toggle next to Use Separate Contacts list if you want the cloned app to access a different set of contacts. From here, open your app drawer and look for the second app icon marked with a Dual Messenger badge. At this stage, open the cloned app and sign in with your second account to set it up. Keep in mind, only specific messaging and social apps support cloning, so not every app on your phone will appear in this list. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to turn off or remove a cloned app. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Dual Messenger settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.